It's amazing. Nagluluto ako guys ng turkey tail. Turkey tail adobo. Favorite. This is my favorite. My favorite turkey tail adobo. And there's a one leg of chicken there. This is delicious. The reason this is my favorite meat among the meat, the turkey tail, because it's meaty, it's kinda, you know, it's kinda creamy, the meat is creamy. I don't know, I like this. I just pre-cook a little bit and then saute onion, garlic, and this is it. We love turkey. Actually, we have plenty of turkey in our freezer. And I'm so excited this coming holiday. Thanksgiving holiday. That's my favorite holiday here in United States. And the second one is the Independence Day. And the third one is the Memorial Day. Yan, ang aking mga favorite holiday dito. At of course, yung Christmas at saka, Christmas. Yung New Year hindi masyado, but of course I am a Filipino. I like also the New Year because in the Philippines we celebrate mostly the New Year to welcome the new year. The new year of another opportunity, another year that the Lord given to face, So anyway, Turkey Day is coming, guys. I am so excited. I'm very excited. Of course, there's a big event here in our life. And November 3rd is the election and also the birthday of my husband. I'm very excited. This 2020 is a great history for me and my family. And not only for for me, because the Lord this year, He did many good things in our life. He blessed me tremendously and my family in so many ways. The health, and many people also blessed in our prayer because we have a ministry of the prayer. We are a prayer warrior and we pray. We've been praying for this country, and I do believe when I pray confidently that the Lord will answer. I am confident all my prayer that the Lord will answer, and many good things that happen and answered prayer. Especially I've been praying for last year, almost 1 year now, for our iron fence gate, so it manifested already. I am so happy and thankful. It's really there is a power of prayer. Whatever I do, whether I'm cooking here, I'm talking to the Lord here, I'm sharing to the universe, and I'm sharing to the word that there is a power of prayer. Okay, my dear brothers and sisters, my friends here. So this is our turkey tail adobo. Wow. Okay guys, ito na ang ating turkey tail meat. Oh, very delicious. Saucy. Well guys, it's come out very good. Very tasty and very saucy. Look at this guys. This is a turkey tail. Very delicious and not so expensive. And the health benefit, this is healthy because it's turkey. So anyway guys, thank you for watching and have a blessed day and God bless everyone. Don't forget to give me a likes. You can share also to your friend if you like to share this. It's okay. So that's it for today. God bless everyone. Bye-bye for now.